Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adima. So today's tutorial would be a scrunchie tutorial. The method I chose is very easy and I'm sure it will be beginner friendly. If you're ready, let's begin. So for this tutorial, we'll be using satin fabric. The measurements are 28 inches by 5 inches. You can choose to make yours wider or longer. We'll be using thread. We'll be using elastic band and a pin. Elastic band of about 7 inches. You also need your scissors. The first step is to fold your fabric into two and then take it to your machine and make a straight stitch, leaving 1 inch allowance at both sides. I'll do that off camera and show you shortly. So I have stitched it off camera. The next step now would be to turn the fabric inside out. I've turned it inside out now. You can choose to iron it. The next step now will be to join the horizontal sides. As you can see, the space that we left earlier will help us to be able to join it well. So what you do is you place the right sides together and pick the two ends of the fabric. You can choose to use a pin to pin it down to make it easy for yourself. Then you just make a straight stitch. I'll do that off camera and show you shortly. Okay, so now just drag the material like this to put the allowance inside and then use my scissors to trim out any thread that is sticking out. Then the next step would be to pass your elastic band through this hole. As you can see, this is how it was before I turned it inside. Look at my stitch. I didn't show you earlier, so I'm showing you now. The stitches. So you drag it and you push it inside. Then through the hole that we have here, you pass your elastic band. Make sure you attach a pin, just like I'm going to do now. Attach a pin, pass it through that hole, attach a pin to enable you push the fabric inside. The pin that will help you to be able to pass it well. So you put your pin inside, your elastic inside. Make sure you pin this part of the elastic to this fabric here so it will not get, so you'll still be able to track it and you will not lose it inside while you're while you're passing the elastic band. So when you've gotten to this point, you put your hand through the hole to grab the pin and drag your elastic out, just like this. You can see our scrunchie is coming out very well, looking so beautiful. So the next step now will be to try and join these parts to the elastic together. You can either choose to tie it, to just knot it up like this and then tuck it inside, or you can decide to sew it together. So to sew it, you remove your pin and then you place it like this, one side on top of the other, just like this, and then you sew the two ends of the elastic. As you can see, I've sewn the two ends of the elastic. Next step will be to put the elastic inside the fabric, to tuck it into the fabric. So this is all you need to do. Then you just pull it and adjust. Then the next step will be to close up the hole. So you can either choose to use your machine or you do an invisible hand stitch with your needle and thread. So I decided to use my machine to finish it up. As you can see, this is our scrunchie. If you like this tutorial, if you found it easy, please subscribe. Thank you.